Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing grit that will scratch glass. Brush the frame and wipe the sash. Once done, spray the glass lightly with your cleaning solution. Too much liquid runs and makes streaks. You use a microfiber or lint-free cloth because it traps dirt instead of smearing. Make sure to protect the sill and floor with a towel so you can work fast without worrying about drips. This prepares the surface for the deeper cleaning step that follows. You now tackle the main cleaning. Work in small 2-3 foot sections so solution stays wet just long enough to dissolve grime. Use a squeegee top to bottom in straight strokes or a damp microfiber in a W pattern to remove soap without streaks. Once done, scrub the edges and corners with a cotton swab or soft toothbrush because seals trap residue. Make sure to flip or swap cloths when they get dirty. A clean microfiber for the final polish gives you that crystal clarity. You finish by buffing dry with a clean microfiber, using light circular strokes to remove tiny streaks and lift residue. Once done, inspect the glass from an angle in natural light to spot any remaining haze. Re-clean only the problem areas with a damp cloth and quickly dry them to prevent new streaks. If stubborn residue remains, make sure to try distilled water or a diluted ammonia solution sparingly. This solves film, but use gloves and ventilation as a precaution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.